guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Guys, it's December 1st. When did this happen? We are in the last month of December. Guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you this real quick, easy, kinky straight goodness right here. I'm going to show you just a quick couple styles, how I style it. That's the whole point of the video. I wanted to show you some quick, easy styles. And after I show you guys a couple little styles, I'll talk to you guys after. Make sure before we get started, you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Also hit that subscribe button, because you know what? It's December and I know you're going to come back. We got a lot of stuff going on this month. You're going to come back. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. This Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time. Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Alright guys, so we are back. I am done showing you all the styles. This is the last one. As you saw, it was so simple. It was so easy. This hair is beautiful. It is headband season, and it's also starting to be kinky straight season. I don't know if you see what's going on right now, but there's a lot of kinky straight texture wigs, and I am so here for it. This is an 18-inch kinky textured wig sent to us by LuvMe Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. This wig was $160, but you don't have to get my inches. It starts at 16 inches, and it's $140. I initially went in and shampooed and conditioned this hair, and I just set her on my little wig rack. You guys can get this wig rack off Amazon. I love this rack because I dry my wigs on it. It just sits, you know, in the shower for a couple days. and I just shampooed, conditioned her. I wanted to do that because I wanted to see how the hair really responded with shampoo and conditioning. Sometimes you shampoo and condition these human hair wigs and they just don't hold up. So this hair is absolutely the same exact beautiful way she was when she came out the box. I probably could have just did her fresh out the box. She was feeling great out the box. She's feeling great now. She is giving me all kind of textured, thick goodness. This is quality. I did go in and blow dry her a little bit with my Revlon blow dryer. I used the heat protectant. I felt like it got a little bit big after I did shampoo her, so I did kind of just straighten it out a little bit, but it's still big. I don't even know what I thought I was doing. Initially, when I got this wig, I had plans for this wig. I said I want to go in and curl her and do all that, and but guess what? We ain't got time for that. It is headband season for a reason, so I wanted to show you guys just some quick styles of how to do this. The holidays are coming up. Sometimes we don't have time. You might be cooking and people are knocking at your door at the same time. If we can have people at our house then. But anyway, the point is that this is a really quick, easy, simple style. I put her up, I put her to the side. I did, you know, did a little bit of twist. I did go in with this headband. I think it was clashing with the lippy, but y'all get the point. You know what I'm saying? It is holiday time coming up, guys. It is holiday time. If you don't celebrate the holidays, it's okay. You can still glam it up. All you need is a little red lippy, some red fingers, and bam, a little bit of sparkle in your life and you're gonna be okay. We gonna get this holiday started, okay? I really do like the texture of this wig. I feel like this is absolutely quality. The packaging was nice. It was lovely. It's LuvMe Hair. I mean, I'm really feeling this one. She definitely is a winner to me. I like her. I did go in and do my edges a little bit, but if you don't, you know, I told y'all before, you can put it on. But I like that little effect there where your edges are kind of showing, because it kind of does look more realistic. And I also did go in with this little swoop bang. I've been seeing the swoop bang float around and I thought it was cute. And she cute. She is cute. But you can do whatever you like with this hair. I was gonna wand curl her and then I was like, why? Not today. It is headband season for a reason, honey. I just wanted to put her on my head and get done. That's what I wanted to do, and that's what we did. I did crimp another kinky textured hair. If you want to see kind of with the curling iron, you can check that video out. I'll leave it right here. I did a couple more styles with that. I just wanted to show y'all the ease, the simplicity of all of this. It is very easy, very cute. All you have to do is accessorize. Just go ahead and, you know, spice it up with some earrings or something, and you're gonna be... You don't need too much. You do not need too much. But I am overall happy with this unit. I absolutely think she's worth it. Great unit, great purchase. The density is amazing. The quality is good. I really like her. You guys let me know which kind of style was your favorite. Like, do you like it more up? Do you like it down? Do you like it with a swoop? Like, what you like? What you like? What y'all doing? I do have a lot of content coming up this month. So definitely make sure those notification bells are all the way up because it is December. So, you know, some collabs here and there. I'm thinking about doing a little series myself, but I don't know. I got commitment issues. But I'm busy. I don't have time. I'm scared of commitment. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see a little holiday series. I might do like a week or two. I don't know. Y'all talk to me. Anyway, until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.
Christmas.